Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's Monica Juneja from USA Travel with Mr. Simran from Sada TV. Again, thank you so much, Simran Paji, for giving this opportunity to us again. So today we are here to welcome Mr. Sonu Nigam, who's called Modern Rafi of Indian industry, who's Padma Shri awarded. So we're gonna welcome Mr. Sonu Nigam, who's a playback singer in Seattle. We are so excited for him. The show is going to happen tomorrow at 7 p.m. on the 11th of August at Angel of the Winds in Everett, Washington. I'm hoping that I'm going to see every one of you there because as you all know, the floor is almost sold out. The other seats are also, filling up very quickly. I think we only have like very few seats left. So if you haven't bought your tickets, please go buy them on Ticketmaster or give us a call. I think most of you guys have our number, but you can go to any of the social media platforms. You can follow Jalsa Entertainment. You can follow Dazzling Events, USA Travel. You can find our numbers. If you know me personally, please, say, shout out to me. I'd be more than happy to arrange the tickets for you. So again, let's make it a big day tomorrow for welcoming Mr. Sonu Nigam in Seattle. Thank you.
Hello, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. मैं अमित जुनेजा from जलसा एंटरटेनमेंट एंड डैज़लिंग इवेंट से आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं. आज का इवेंट है सोनू निगम जी का मीट एंड ग्रीट इवनिंग एट बेलव्यू एंड सोनू निगम जी हमारे पास पहुंच चुके हैं सियाटल में. It's gonna be a huge event tomorrow. It's gonna be good concert tomorrow. He's really a great singer. तो आप सबका बहुत बहुत thank you, the main sponsors of the event and organizers and also the audience. And also our local channel, one and only channel Sada TV, जो हमारे coverage हमेशा करते हैं. और आप सबके लिए आप इस माध्यम के द्वारा आप सबको पहुंच पाएगा कि कैसा रहा कल का शो. आप ज़रूर पहुंचे. जिन्होंने नई टिकट्स ली हैं अभी भी ले सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
The one and only, the most versatile, Sonu Nigam. He's the man who's truly serenaded with us through every mood. I want to take a moment to thank the organizers. At the national level, we have with us Darshan ji and Rocky ji from Sri Balaji Entertainment. And here, our very own local promoters, Jalsa Entertainment. And we have with us Amit Upadhyay, Vishal Sharma, Amit Juneja and Sanjeev Kumar. So let's hear it for the organizing team. Is everyone excited for the Sonu Nigam show tomorrow? So before we get started, I'm going to get you in the audience and let you all ask some questions. But let's start with Darshan sir.
Keep the questions short.
We will keep it short.
I'm still jet lagged.
Totally understand. Hanji, how's...
आपने मेरे से पूछा कुछ?
हाँ जी, मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ. आपके कई सारे shows already हो चुके हैं US में. How's your tour going? And
this show is going very, very well. All the shows are done by Mr. Rocky Kaushal. Darshan Munim is sir.
हाँ जी, Rocky ji, you tell us how's it coming along?
It's very, very well actually.
Very good.
I don't mean to be funny about it. Whenever it is Sonuji shows, you know how it is. There is vibrance, there is energy, there is joy, there are some tears and laughters, all that you want, and music par excellence. So you know that the audience, when they come, they get a lot more than what they come for.
There's no performer like Sonu sir. It was such a pleasure meeting you in Mumbai at the Art Superstars, and I'm so excited to be here in front of you again. Sir, I know you've done a couple of concert tours in the US. What is special about this? What's the special curation about this Sonu Nigam show tomorrow? Tell us a bit more.
This one? Sure, which one you're taking?
Touring America for the last, now going to be 30 years. And 30 years back, November, I'd come with Rocky ji only, so it's our 30th year together. Touring.
30 years.
It's been a beautiful journey. I've seen a lot of phases of my own career reflecting through the American tours. When I was slightly known, when I got more known, when I got popular, when I got some very good songs. And so I've also grown up in this process. It is always very humbling to come to do concerts in a place where you came as a 21-year-old for the first time. So yeah, I'm very happy to be back over here. Seattle is a place where I saw my first snowfall in 1994. So it is always going to be special. We didn't have video cameras back then, so I clicked some pictures, which I still have at home. So Seattle has a very snowy place in my heart.
It's very of summers now, and you'll enjoy the beautiful summers too in Seattle, hopefully.
Yeah.
But really looking forward to the concert tomorrow. Okay, in the interest of time, I do want to give an opportunity to some folks in the audience if you have a question you wanted to. Fun, you guys.
Yeah.
Let's do
This is
this.
very small, very little question. What is the definition of music for you? Easy, very easy.
That's heavy.
It's too deep a question. It can't be defined like this. It has a very rooted answer to it, and music is, of course, my whole existence. That's what I can say.
I have a book, a diary that I want to show it to you with my memories of 26 years.
Okay, sure.
Whenever I get a chance.
Yeah, sure.
But मेरे तो बहुत favorite song है आपके. But आप ही का सबसे favorite song कौन सा है? I know how to choose.
कुछ हैं, I can tell you a few. अभी मुझ में कहीं कल हो ना हो, सतरंगी रे, संदेशे आते हैं, इस प्यार को मैं क्या नाम दूँ, और प्राइवेट एल्बम्स के भी गाने हैं, क्लासिकली माइल के, दीवाना के, जान के और याद के, तो ऐसे कई गाने हैं जो एक गाना नहीं बिल्कुल कर सकता. इतना तरह के lots of decades of music, so you can't really, like if I had a couple of songs and I would have told you this is my favorite, but I've sung more than 5,000 songs, so it's difficult to pick just one out of it.
This is one thing which we play in our house every single day.
So happy.
So I am so glad that you brought this devotional song. And my kids, they know all about American singers. But when I told them that Sonu Nigam is coming, and my son is like, oh, that guy, that Ramdhan guy, I was like, yes, that Ramdhan guy. So thank you very much for that.
Pleasure. Sabne question पूछा, so even Ramdhani is very beautiful. So do I choose a film song? Do I choose a sad song from a film song, or a romantic song from a film song, or a private song, or a devotional song? So it's very difficult to pick just one, but I'm so happy that your kids like that song.
Hello, sir. Welcome to Seattle again. Also, thanks to all the Jalsa team as well, for bringing you here, so we can listen to you tomorrow. So thank you so much. मेरा आपसे question है कि जो आप जब गाते हो, all the songs, I think हम लोग आपके साथ गा सकते हैं. Like I think हमें memorize की ज़रूरत है. We know the lyrics, गलत हो सकता है, but we can sing along with you. तो जो नए singers आ रहे हैं, but I hardly remember. I mean listen to the songs, मगर हमारे को वो याद नहीं रहते. So what do you think? Why the music is changing like this? Why we can't sing along the new songs?
इसका संबंध आपके एक उस स्टैंडर्ड एज से है जब आप उनको पहली बार सुनते हैं. So when you heard me, you were at an age where you were also evolving, you were growing up. Those songs meant something to you at that point. You must have felt romance through those songs. You must have felt some breath of fresh air through those songs. But after you reach a point when you are after 40 or 45, you remember those songs out of nostalgia. And that nostalgia is what makes you feel that the past music was better than today's music. The children of today will resonate with the music of today, because that music the music that is working today for them, it resonates with them. They are growing up, they're feeling the same kind of feeling that you were feeling, what I was feeling when I was growing old, when Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak came, when Maine Pyar Kiya came. Those songs we remember by heart. But today's songs we don't remember by heart because we have crossed that age. But the kids today do remember the lyrics of.
सर आपके सॉन्ग तो अभी भी याद होते हैं.
आप भी उसी.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है, आपके जो नए सॉन्ग्स हैं वो भी हमें याद आते हैं. ऐसे आप बूढ़े नहीं हुए अभी, हमें याद है.
मुझे लगता है कि हम जैसे मुझे भी अपनी जो करंट गाने हैं वो कभी कभी याद नहीं रहते, बट मेरे पुराने गाने जो हम बचपन में सुन चुके हैं मोहम्मद रफ़ी साहब के. So even if I don't recollect, if I don't sing those songs for 20 years, I'll still go back and sing the correct lyrics, because when I was 14, 15 years old, I was listening to those songs and practicing, and I was hearing those songs so many times. So the lyrics, I feel personally, have to do with when you learned them, when you first. So yes, we have to. There's a technique involved in rendering what you have to say. So as a singer, we have to take care of all those aspects. And I do write my songs. I have done many songs which I have written myself. So yeah.
So I'm going to take these 2 last questions before.
हम लोग तो आपके बहुत बड़े फैन हैं.
Thank you.
आप जैसे क्लासिकल सिंगर हो, आप तो वर्सेटाइल सिंगर हो वैसे.
अब मैंने क्लासिकल सीखा नहीं है, मतलब अभी मैं रियाज करता हूँ उस पर, बट क्लासिकल का मेरे को इतना.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है कि जैसे मेरे बच्चे हैं, 2 बच्चे, उनको मैं सिंगिंग सिखा रही हूँ, बट यहाँ पे रह के उनको मैं सिखाना चाहती हूँ क्लासिकल, तो उनको रियाज जो है वो मैं कैसे कराऊँ?
आजकल तो बहुत सुविधाएं हैं, बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं जो आप कर सकते हैं. RTM में हम उसमें भी सिखाते हैं, लाइव म्यूजिक भी सिखाते हैं, क्लासिकल तो वो भी सीख सकते हैं, और भी सुविधाएं हैं. तो आजकल तो आप थोड़ा सा भी एफर्ट करेंगे ऑनलाइन तो आपको बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएंगी, एंड आप उसके द्वारा सीख सकते हैं. मेरे वक्त पे नहीं था ये सब.
प्रॉपर मतलब उसको प्रैक्टिस के लिए, रियाज के लिए
कुछ नहीं, एक एक्सरसाइज सीखो और बस उसको करते रहो, क्योंकि हर रोज़ क्लासेस लेने से अच्छा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एक चीज़ सीखो और उसको 2 घंटा 3 घंटा रोज़ तो जाके उसको रियाज बोलते हैं, क्योंकि आप सिर्फ इन्फॉर्मेशन ले लेंगे और आपके गले में वो उतर नहीं रहा तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता. आप इन्फॉर्मेशन इतनी लीजिए, रियाज उतना लीजिए. लोग क्या करते हैं, इन्फॉर्मेशन लेते रियाज उतना करते हैं. तो इन्फॉर्मेशन कितनी सी लीजिए और इतना रियाज कीजिए कि वो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके गले में ऐसे वो बैठ जाए. फिर जब वो बैठ गई तो फिर नई चीज़ सीखो. तो वो असली सिंगिंग या असली कलाकारी ये होती है कि वो एक करंट की विद्या है. जो करेगा वो विद्या को पाएगा, जो नहीं करेगा वो कितनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर लेगा, कुछ भी सुनेगा, उसको कितने भी राग पता हो, ये मल्हार है, ये वो है, मियाँ की तोड़ी है, गुजरी है, लेकिन जब उसकी विद्या को उसने करंट में नहीं डाला, करना पड़ता है. हम आज भी करते हैं, लगातार करते हैं, तो करना पड़ता है. तो वो बच्चों को भी सिखाइए कि वो चाहे वो फुटबॉल खेल रहे हों या चाहे वो बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे हों या गाना गा रहे हों या कोई वाद्य बजा रहे हों.
नहीं, मेरा बेटा यहाँ पे आया, उसको सिंगर बनना है.
सिंगर बनना है? वो
आपसे मिलने के लिए आया हुआ है.
अच्छा
जी.
तो
पागल है, जैसे सुना है कि सोनू निगम आ रहे हैं, तब से कब आएंगे कब आएंगे कब आएंगे.
आ गया बेटा, दिल देख ले.
This is going to be the last question for the evening.
One request. Tomorrow when you sing the song Abhi Mujh Mein, that's my favorite song, please sing it twice. एक बार मन नहीं भरता, that's all. So please sing it twice. And just
he will again come.
Point पे वो गाना आता है ना, उसको आप 2 बार बर्दाश्त भी नहीं कर पाओगे.
No, we wait till the end.
नहीं, वो इतना इंटेंस होता है ना कि वो उतना ही काफ़ी हो जाता है. Just that intense. जिस मोमेंट पे वो गाना आता है, क्योंकि हमारा जो मैं शोज जो भी डिज़ाइन हम करते हैं दिमाग से, तो वो पूरा दिमाग से ज़्यादा उसका दिल से करते हैं. तो जिस पॉइंट पे वो गाना आता है उस समय लोग की आंखों में आंसू ऑलरेडी बह रहे होते हैं, ऐसे होता है. तो
Sir, one more thing. I know you're rushing. I wanted to pass one message. He's my husband. We are big fans.
Hi.
My sister. I have 2 younger sisters. They are like 4 or 5 years younger to me, and they.
Korean भिजवाना है.
When they were like 20 years back, when you just came into film industry like 30 years back, I think. आपका एक फोटो रखा उन्होंने और शादी कर लिया आपसे.
मेरी बीवी तभी मुझसे इतना परेशान है.
Definitely know that. I'm like,
Give your sisters my love. I speak Hindi and I speak English. I can speak a bit of Punjabi. I can speak slight Marathi. I can understand slight Marathi and Bengali and Gujarati. I can understand I can understand Rajasthani also, and of course Bhojpuri and all those languages I understand. But I've sung in around 33 languages throughout.
Wow. So many.